Dang, these are clean. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, why don't you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down there. All right, so the first mod we're gonna cover today is taking this Gugon here, an old gift card or a credit card, and we're gonna be removing this badge here on the back of my BMW 325i. A little of this Gugon. Go ahead and let this sit for about 5 minutes. We want this Gugon to penetrate the glue behind here so that these come off a lot easier. But just loosen it up and just kind of work your way around. Like I said, try not to get it too much into the paint. There we go. One number's off already. 2. And 3 and 4. That came off easy. All right, so now that those numbers are removed, I'm gonna actually wipe off the excess Gugon. It's something you really don't wanna have on your paint. Let me go grab a little quick detailer. We're gonna wipe that off. Now we can take a closer look, and you guys can see here, there's a lot of remnants of glue. You guys see that? I'm just kind of peeling it off. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of Gugon, let that sit on here, and I'm going to use a combination of my fingers and the credit card to carefully remove this glue without scratching the paint. All right, so I just finished wiping that off. Let me just spray a little quick detail on there. We're gonna wipe this off. Let's take a look at the results. So, as you guys can see, there's definitely some light scratches, but what's good about this car is this whole thing is getting fully detailed, and I don't really have to worry about that right now. So, man, overall, it is so much cleaner. Now, if this car was maybe an M3 or a 335i, I'd leave the badge, but because this is the base model, I think that by removing the badge, it looks a lot cleaner and nicer. So guys, a quick change of plans. We're gonna go pick up some new wheels for the 325i. So guys, just picked up the wheels. Can't wait to put them on. I think you guys are gonna like them. So just heading back to the shop right now. Gotta clean the wheels really good, and then we're gonna go ahead and toss them on. So just a reminder, guys, Throtl's giving away $5,000 to spend in new performance parts. All you have to do to enter is become a Throtl VIP. The link is in the description. There's a ton of awesome benefits. Please go check it out. I know you guys won't be sorry. The moment of truth, time to show you the wheels. Boom. These are the BMW style 162 wheels off of a 135i. So if you guys remember in a previous video, I'm not going for some crazy aftermarket thing. I'm looking for kind of that OEM plus look, and these wheels are perfect. So huge shout out to Kyle for making these wheels happen, and let's go ahead and toss them on the car. right, so a bunch of you guys probably are wondering why I didn't use the lift to lift this thing up and make that a lot faster and easier on myself. And what was weird is when I went to line it up on the lift, there was no rear jack points on the car. So I don't know if those fell off or whatever. There was no little pads there. So decided to lift it up from the rear diff and just do it on the ground. Wasn't too bad. And what do you guys think of these wheels? So these, as mentioned, are the Style 162s. I went from a 16-inch wheel to an 18-inch wheel, and I actually really like the styling of this. I think it makes it a little bit more modern, makes it look a little bit more like a 335i, which was a more expensive car at that time. So obviously they aren't aftermarket, they're nothing too crazy, but overall I think this car is really coming together, really starting to look like a nice daily driver. Once I get it all polished and detailed up, it's gonna look really, really nice. Guys, that is all the time I have for you guys today. If you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.